Hello, today I will show you how to clone Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Firstly, download Clonezilla ISO file here. Next, go to the VirtualBox and go to Setting. Then click System and make sure to check Optical and Hard Disk in boot order. Next, go to the Storage and add attachment as hard disk. Then click Create and name the virtual hard disk and choose the amount of storage. Then click Finish. Select the newly created virtual disk and click Choose. Select Controller IDE and add attachment as optical drive. Click Add and choose the downloaded Clonezilla ISO file. Then select Clonezilla file and click Choose, and then click OK. After that, start the Ubuntu machine and wait for Clonezilla startup. Select the first line and press Enter. Choose the language and the keyboard. Press Enter to start Clonezilla. Here, select the second line and press Enter to clone the whole hard disk. Press Enter with beginner mode, and then press Enter to clone disk to local disk. Select the SDA as a source which has Ubuntu OS, and then press Enter. Select SDB for the destination, press Enter, and then press Enter. Type I and press Enter. Type I and press Enter. Press Enter to continue. Select the first line to power off the machine. Ubuntu cloning is successfully done. To check it, click New. Name your new machine. Choose the type Linux, then subtype as Ubuntu. Then go to Hard Disk, select Use and Existing Virtual Hard Disk File. Then choose the newly cloned hard disk file and then click Finish. Then start your new machine and see how it works. Thank you for watching.